Under reusable concept, that is another name we are calling modularization techniques. Modularization techniques. Under that we have different levels of programs are there. These all are very useful. Include programs, perform programs, or we can call subroutines. Routines. Okay, messages. Okay, messages. Then function models. I discussed local message and as well as global messages also. That what is the use of this all this one? Okay. We can declare globally somewhere. This includes that means like example now 10 members you are working in one project, 10 users. Okay, one user will declare some includes. Okay, all includes they will create it, all whatever required for our project. Okay, then all other 9 users they can call those all other 9 users they can call this includes if they need. Otherwise they will write it new programs. Otherwise they'll write it all the program. First they'll check it any okay our requirement related information are created by SAP or if it is some other user already created, we'll check with this existing includes. Then if it is same include is there, all other 9 users can use the same includes. The same way messages also. Any messages, global messages they declared for our project, then we can use it. This subroutine is depends upon the your usage. But messages and includes, okay, first we have to check with the existing one. Same function models also. We have to check with the existing one. Any function model is there from existing one, we will check it. Okay, we will check it. All are reusable. We can declare only performs. We can write it our own performs. Okay, we can write it. But function models, messages and include, we can declare globally and we can call n number of times in programs. Okay, n number of times in program. Let me discuss the function model. This is very important function model, important concept. If function model also reusable, it is also reusable. Reusable means we are writing program globally. Program in okay, total function model we are declaring in SE37. SE37. This SE37 we can call to SE38. SE30. First we have to declare it in SE37. SE37 we have to declare total program. Then we'll call that program to SE38. Okay, SE38. But there are so many predefined function models as there. Okay, in SAP, those function models are there. Geo underscore upload. Okay, geo underscore download. Okay, means this is for downloading the data purpose. This is for uploading the data purpose. Okay, like that we have so many. Reuse underscore, ALV underscore, grid underscore display. Okay, display like this. These type of okay like reusability functionality means these are all reusable. N number of times we can use it. These all programs we can use it in coming sessions. But these are all predefined. But now what I am doing, I am explaining with the new. These are all okay, predefined function models. Okay, function models. Okay, I am not going to show this function models right now. Why means we will work out separate programs for this program for this function models. Now I am explaining how to create a user defined function models. User defined okay, function models. This 90% of the time, 95% of the time, you never create any function model in real time. The only BW with the ABAP integration, if it is there, only that time only can you create it. Then why I am teaching here means because if you know this one, then how to debug you will easily understand this function model. That's what I am giving step-by-step procedure function model. Okay, for BW related project, ABAP with the BW project, this is very important. These function models, but only ABAP project we can use all standard function model like this. Okay, all function models. Let me give you first side heading. Okay, function model creation. Okay, function model creation. Okay, whatever select query is that select query I can declare here. Select query I can declare in SE37. That query I can call to SE38. Okay, this SE38. That is just outline Then how to write it, I will explain. If you want to create function model, we need function group. Okay, side heading is function group creation. Function group creation. What is function group? Is nothing but a function group is nothing but a folder. Folder to save function models. To save function models. Transaction code is SE37. Transaction code is SE37. Okay. Step by step I am explaining. Okay, procedure. First, if you want to create function model, now procedure is function model creation, user defined function model creation. Under user defined function model, step 1 is function group creation. Under step 1, T code is SE37. Go to SE37. Login. Okay, login to SE37. Just log on to SE37. Okay, go to SE37. Here, say SE37 means ABAP function modules. The ABAP function. This is we can call function builder or function module. Under function module, we are creating step 1. Go to function group, create group. Without this group, not possible to create function model. Go to function group, create group. Sorry. Click on create group. Here we have to enter here. Ganga. Okay, any group name. Ganga function group. Continue. Continue. Now function group, it will ask where you want to save it. In package, any package. I already created Satish package. We have so many packages. You can save it into any package. Function group is created. It is created, but function group is not activated. Function group. You will get like function group is created. You will get message. Then to activate function group, to activate the function group, okay, now function group is created. To activate this function group, go to function group, change group. Change group. But function group name Ganga, same name you have to enter. Whatever name you enter, that name. Continue. Continue. If you observe now here, it is in inactive status. You have to activate it. That's why I'm going to this step. Okay, inactive state. You have to activate. How to activate? By clicking master program. Click on master program. Click on. Once if you click master program, if you observe here, function pool it is showing inactive, but here we have two includes are there. How to check includes are active or not? This program is active or not? How to check? We have to double click on this program. Okay, and one by one. Okay, I'll double click here. In this program also it is inactive, but no code still. There is no code still. Why? Still we did not write any code, but still it is inactive. We have to activate manually. Activate compulsory. It will show error. You have to click here continue option. Syntax. But there is no error. Why? No code here. Okay, still it is showing error. We have to avoid that message. Then we have to say no error here. No error. Come back. Same way second include also. Okay. Check. But second include is already active, but no coding. Okay, it is already. I'll repeat this step. First you have to check the includes, which one is active and which one is not active. If it is active, you can just leave it. Without, if it is not active, you have to activate it. Then final step, this is inactive, you have to activate it. Wherever is inactive is there, first activate clearly in this. That's it. Now all the programs are active. If you click back button, you can see the status here, activated. Okay, activated. Then only without errors you will get function models. Otherwise, if it is inactive state, you will get runtime errors. Okay, runtime errors. Click on save. Step 1 is over, meaning under function module, user defined function model, this is step 1. Okay, step 1. Next, step 2 is function model creation. Okay, creation of FM. FM means function model. Okay, FM means function model. Steps, same step, SC37 only. Okay, SC37. Go to SC37. Now, step 1 is over. Step 1 I created. The same function group I can use it here. Step 2 I am creating now. Step 2. Now go to function model Z Ganga underscore sales. Any name I can give. Okay, any name. Sales or customers. Okay, function model name. This name we can use it to report. Later I will show that one. First I have to complete it here. I will write it here, select query. Okay, let me create button. Okay, Ganga sales already existed. Okay, sales function model, sales FM. Create button. Yes, immediately it is asking function group. I created function group. That's why I created. If without function group, it won't allow. See, I won't enter function group. Sales FM. If I click continue, see, it won't allow. Compulsory you need. That's why I created function group. What is the name of the function group? Z Ganga. Continue. Okay, continue. Name reserved for the function model, it will come. No issue. Because in real time that name is okay, that name will start with the okay, Z underscore it will start. But now I entered Z Ganga underscore. You can enter without underscore also, no problem. Here we have to maintain here. Okay, we have two types of function model. Two types of function model. One is normal function model, another one is remote enabled function model in SAP. Okay, in this class you will learn normal function model. In BAP, separate last concept, that is last day. Okay, that is remote we can learn. Okay, normal function model means within the client. Example, now we are working with this 800 client. Okay, within the client if you are working, we can use normal function model. Remote enabled means remote. Okay, this client on any other clients. If you want to use it, you can use remote enabled. Okay, remote enabled. So it depends upon the usage, we can create the this particular function model name. Now I am creating normal only to this class. That remote enabled I will discuss. Okay, once if I complete this all the procedures. Okay, click on normal, then go to import. Import is nothing but just you are sending value to the database. It's like same like select parameters option. Okay. In report we used to write the parameters. The same way I am going to write here customer like KNA1 hyphen KNA1. One parameter I declare. First time it will show error, not error, just only red color. Enter 2 times. Two keyboard enters you have to do. Okay, this is like parameter, meaning okay, here what exactly I am doing means like I declared here customer. Okay, this customer. This is a customer field is KNA1 field. KNA1 KNA. Just I am importing to database. This is a I'm importing. Okay, importing the database. Okay, once if I import, which data you will import, like value, some value, so and so 1000 value. Where you will import? Okay, you will send it to database. Excuse me. You will send it to database. Database we have so many tables are there. Like I am fetching a VBAK table. From VBAK table related select query, I have to write it. Select so and so, select so and so tables with VBAK. If I write VBAK select query here, then I will get based on this value, based on this customer, I will get the data into iTab, internal table. To declare this type of declaration, this is here, this is one table. This is like a importing value, one table. This is another database table. Because data, this is only single value, only value, but based on this value, sales orders is coming up. Okay, sales orders is coming. I'm going to fetch here two tables data using this function model. Using this function model, input I declare already here. Input means this is import. Import. I'm not going to declare export in this example, changing in this example. Just I'm declaring which data you are fetching. Yes, VBAK is your data. VBAK. That VBAK I am declaring one internal table like any name JTab, like VBAK. Why VBAK you have to declare? Because VBAK is a table. It is an internal table name. You can enter iTab or any name. I enter in this example. I entered a JTab. Now here JTab is nothing but a. Okay, now here JTab is nothing but a global internal table. Here. Excuse me. Okay, JTab is nothing but here. JTab is means global internal table. Global internal table. This global internal table we will use it in local in program later. I will explain. Okay, that's why I declared JTab. Any name you can declare: iTab, KTab, NTab, MTab, any name. Exceptions is nothing but a messages. No need to write any exceptions. Only import. Export I will discuss in BAP. Changing is obsolete. Tables we are using only for this one, for data purpose. Exceptions is we are not using exceptions. Messages we will write it our own messages. Source code. Source code means that select query. Select. First you have to open one more page. Okay, one more page. In this page we have SE30, sorry, SE11. In this page we have VBAK table is there. Open VBAK table. Write down required fields. What fields you are going to fetch it. You can write down this one. You can fetch some fields. How many fields you want? I don't know as many fields you can write down, no problem. Just copy paste all the fields. Space. All the fields I copied from VBAK. From VBAK. If you don't want those some particular fields, you can remove, no issue. If you don't know. VBAK into corresponding fields of table JTab. Based on where internal table name customer, sorry, where KUNNR is equal to customer. KUNNR is equal to customer. Why here I equal to symbol I entered here? Because this is a parameter name. This is a parameter name. Like is a keyword. Only single value. Okay, only single value. That's why I declare here. Okay. Now save first. Check your errors. Okay, no errors. Okay, I declared in this function model this select query. Let's see. Activate. Okay, activate. Now this program is active. Now this program is active. Now testing. Okay, testing. Okay, click on test. Okay, I will enter only one function. Okay, one customer only. Let's say customer number 1000. If I enter 1000 and if I check this tab, let's see, execute. You can see here how many entries are here total. 27. Customer is having 27 entries. 27. If I check this 27 entries, it will show clearly that 1000 is having this many entries. Okay, this many entries. So 27 entries are there. But if I check the another customer, based on this value, this table values will vary. Okay. like say 181 customer. Let's see, Big Bazaar is there. Big Bazaar is the sales, okay, sales office, like sales related info, sales data. I am customer for the Big Bazaar. You are also customer for the same Big Bazaar. Amit also is good, okay, for a customer. But I will buy some products from Big Bazaar, okay, monthly 2 or 3 products. But you will buy for n number of products, like n number of products you will buy. For you, your sales orders will be different. For me, my sales orders will be different. For other users, sales orders will be different. To find out those type of orders, means how many times you brought that from that particular store, this type of report it will be helpful. Means if you enter the customer number, according to the customer number, how many times he brought this particular sales related. But here sales related information you can see. This is the order number, who is created that order, when it is created, which date is created, what is the amount of that particular order. Here why amount is not coming, because I did not declare NETWR field. If I declare NETWR field, amount field also should come. Let me check here. Come back. Here I did not declare here amount related. Let me check here. NETWR. Okay, let me check now. Come back. Execute it. Customer number 1000. Let's see, this time amount value also should come. Let's see. Like whatever field you want, like if I want subme, okay, this is some other field name. If you want to change it, field names, you can change them. Table entry here, there's no change column here. Okay. Okay, it is not there. There's some settings. Okay, settings is there. Okay, means we can see this particular data in table. We can see. Okay, you can change the field description also. Okay, like this, to check the data, okay, amount data, we have to write those fields. Now function model is ready, it is executing properly, okay, but we cannot deliver these function models to the user directly. Based on this function model, we have to create one report, okay, one report. Okay, right now, how to create report based on this function model. Okay, how to create. This is my function model. How to use it in report, I'll show it. Simple, that is very simple. Go to SC38, Z using FM function model, click on create button, using function model, click on create button, okay, using function model, using function model, okay, click on execute, will program, then all are same, continue, continue, continue. This remaining report is same as it is. Just only select query I won't write here. Okay, how to write I'll show it. Tables, how many tables we are using? Tables I am using. Which tables? One is okay, KNA1 table, another one is VBAK table. Two tables declaration we have to do. One is KNA1, another one is VBAK. I am using here input screen is parameters. First number like KNA1 hyphen K1 KNA1 hyphen K1. Next. Okay, declaration part, while declaring total internal table, we can declare like this. Okay, VBAK occur 0 with header line. Okay, total internal table is one line. Okay, full. See, after this data declaration, I used to declare select query normally in normal ABAP, okay, normal report programs I used to declare. But here I am not going to declare select query here. Just simple, I am just calling pattern. Okay, up to this second item, then I am going to call the pattern. Here pattern is nothing but your function model name. We declare this function model here. Okay, here. Okay, this function, this name I will copy. Function model name. This name I will call to my report. This is report. If data is here, it won't execute, means user cannot use it. That's why I am going to use here pattern. Click on pattern. Select the call function. Okay, select the call function. If you use the call function, then we can use it here. Just continue. Okay, call function, continue. Okay, then here. Okay, there I declared here, if you observe now here, under import I declared customer, but in program opposite it will come, export I will come here. Export is customer, it is coming, export. In program I declared import, that it will come to export. In program I declared tables, what is the table name? JTab, that JTab will come here. Okay, meaning why it has come like this means, here according to this program, this is the export value. I am sending value, customer number. This is local internal table iTab. I am passing this local internal table here. What will do means, if you enter here customer number here, end user means after execution, this value will go to this customer. Program will execute it. Data will come to in JTab. Okay, JTab. Okay, let me explain light on here. Okay, here I have written here customer is equal to cust number. Here example, cust number I am passing 1000. These 1000 values, this 1000 value, okay, it will go to this customer. 1000 value it will go to customer. Then in function model it will run. Function model will run. The JTab contains data. All the fields. This JTab data we are sending to iTab. Here iTab is nothing but your local. This is local. This is global. Okay, this is global. Means we declared code here. That code we are sending to iTab. Okay, we are sending to iTab. So once if we send the iTab, now data will be in iTab here. Here data will come. Now I will loop only. Okay, loop at iTab. I cannot loop JTab. Why? JTab is only runtime only, inside only. Now I can write a JTab hyphen VBLM JTab hyphen ERDT JTab hyphen ER now JTab hyphen ERDT. Like that I can write how many fields you want. If you want 10 fields, write down all 10 fields. But those fields should be declared here. Here in source code, this all fields VBLN, ERDT, only those fields only can fetch it. Yeah, iTab, sorry, all are iTab, not JTab. I written JTab, wrong. All are iTab only. Here if I click here, that error will be corrected automatically. So now JTab is there. If I click here this option, correct errors, automatically it will correct. Then it will show the syntax error. Now I will check here. Okay. Usage only. See here, if you observe now, okay, this is extra today, but the remaining all concepts same. Okay, last class only. Okay, from first day onwards you are learning the same. Okay, only what is the use of function, that is a today's concept. Okay, how to declare it globally, how to reuse it. Okay, if it is already declared by SAP, then how to call that particular data declarations you are learning here. Okay, now this is okay. Let me check here. Okay, let me check. Execute. Okay, now it is active. Now I am going to test here same, but select query, if you observe now here, there is no select query here. Select query is here inside. Okay, inside. Okay, here it is select query. This select query will run and will get the data to iTab. Let's see. I am testing now function model with the reporter. Execute. I will enter only customer number 1000. Let's see. It will show some values here. All the values related. If I enter some other customer number, okay, like okay, 1001. According to 1001, it will show okay, all the customer numbers. Okay, all the customers. Okay, like that, we can declare okay different tables. Not only these tables, so the same example. Okay, the same example. Now I declare here customer and this table. You can try for the okay, LFA1 and EKK1. This is primary key, this is foreign key. Here LFA1 what we will write? Vendor is the input. Okay, output is JTAG. Okay, JTAG is JTAG like EKKO. Okay, vendor like LFA1. Okay, these two tables you can use it, and the same output you will get it, but this is vendor data, this is customer data. This is customer data. Okay, if you declare like this, okay, you will get it this output. This is one example. Okay, this is one example. One more example if you want, like material data with item. Material item means like EKKO and Mara. Sorry, EKPO with Mara. Okay, here you can write down like this item like EKPO icon EBLP something is the field name. Okay, getting the data from Mara material means what materials you are getting, that material data like Mara. Okay, Mara is the material table. Means if you enter item numbers, all how many items are there like material related information we can find out here. Where you have to declare this item with this field, you have to declare under function model, under import. Okay, item like EKPO hyphen EBELP, that is a declaration. Then under tables, this one JTAG, same like instead of EBAK, use this scenario. So why I am giving these names means because exact mapping is there. If you use your own tables, it won't work, because there is a link should be, there is a primary key foreign key link should be there, then only you will get it. Okay, now you write it. Then remaining query, write down, select which table fields you are getting. Okay, Mara table fields you are getting. Okay, write down the Mara all the. Okay, select MATNR so fields from Mara into corresponding fields of table data where condition MATNR equal to MATNR over. Okay, if you declare like this type of declaration, okay, for n number of terms, n number of function models you can design. Okay, you can design. Okay, this is we can call reusable. Okay, this is the reusable. Now I used here. Okay, next time another user wants the same function model but different data, they can also call the same function model. Same function model they will call. Next time no need to create another function model. Same, but here for my report I need only 4 fields. For him only, okay, only amount related field I want. He can write down only amount related fields. Let's see. Now I'll check it. Okay, let's full stop. Let me check errors. Okay, so for him it will display only 3 data, 3 output. Okay, only 3 output. Okay, so depends upon the usage you will get it this option. Okay, this output. Okay, this concept we are calling function models. Okay, this function model creation globally, and then how to use this function model. Okay, how to use this function model. How to work out, but normally we'll use customization. We won't work from the ABAP related project. ABAP with BW related projects only we will work. That's why no need to worry about this. But if you know this one, debugging is easy. Okay, debugging means how you can, this program is at least testing, how to test it, how to enter the value. This all you will know. Okay, you will know it. This is about the functional. Next, any doubt here up to this point? 4 options is over. One macro is there here. One more point here. This macro, but macro we never work in as ABAP consultant in real time. This is used by only ABAP HR. Okay, ABAP HR. I will give one note here. Write down that macro. Macro used in HR module. Macro used in HR module. This is used to fetch. Fetch employees data, not like tables data, employees data. This is not customer data, not vendor, employees data from database. In bracket, info types. We can use it. This is a scenario. One separate concept is there in HR model, info type concept. Whenever if it is info type is there, Okay, this data will come. That is also, I will write it one a small example. RP underscore provide underscore RP underscore provide underscore from underscore list. Okay, from underscore something list something is there. Okay, this is a macro name. It's a macro and sorry, not list, last earliest last, and one more macro is there. First RP underscore provide underscore from underscore forest. Okay, forest means if you want to declare like this. Okay, this is a okay. These are the two macros. Okay, in employee related data, if you are going to fetch the latest record, you can use the latest record. If you want to use the old record, old record. Employee related data for latest record. Okay, latest record means recent record. We can use this one. Employee oldest record to fetch oldest record, we can use it. This is just only idea purpose I am giving, otherwise nobody will ask. Okay, if somebody will ask, just give this detail, that is more than. Okay, this is for only a channel. Any doubt here about this particular function module or map, like before I discussed all these points? Any doubt is there? I will discuss those points. Like includes, performs, subroutines. Okay, all these points means look like okay, easy, but while working with your, if you write it your own, then you will see that particular difference. That's what you have to write your own. Then only you will face the okay issues. Okay, if you write it your own, then you will get it some small issues like full stops and comma related errors. Then if you try to solve those errors, you will get good subject. Okay, you will. Up to this is okay, this is a different, okay, like all our concept, but next level of program is total different, advanced concepts you can call. Here up to this is all are very simple programs only. Simple program is how to use parameters, how to use select options, how to use okay, these options only we worked. But next onwards, now whatever the program I'm going to discuss, that one next onwards, all are advanced level programs. Now basics are over everything, like all how to declare the programming codes, tables, views, structures, everything. But in coming to these programs, all are like module wise. Some okay, like we have the next concepts are advanced ABAP, that is we can call. Okay, in this one we have topic wise, we have like okay, like screen programming, separate program, separate okay sessions. Okay, screen program. Under screen program, okay, tomorrow I will start, but today I will give the overview about screen program. Then coming to the okay, next after screen programming, okay, BDC is there. Okay, under screen programming we have 4 to 5 programs are there. Under BDC we have 4 to 5 programs are there. 4 to 5 to 5 means because in one method only we can write it two ways. Okay, that's like that. If you write it two ways, then it is easy to understand. Okay, BDC, that is separate program. Then next is reports. Next is script. Okay, that is outdated. Now we are calling smartphone. That is the latest one. Okay, smartphones. Smartphone like that. Next, after smartphones, okay, we can use it. Okay, okay, ALE IDAC. Okay, ALE IDAC. After ALE IDAC, then okay, user exists. Okay, user exists. After user exists, okay, this up to these sessions, separate 4 to 5 programs it will come each class. Okay, for each screen program if I start, okay, very big programs. BDC, big programs. Reports, separate programs. Script, smart form. This is only minimum 2 classes. Okay, smart form, okay, very lengthy, like offer letter creation. Okay, this is smart form is nothing but offer letter creation all. ALE IDAB. This is a real-time scenario only for okay, experience level people can put in resume. For freshers, okay, if you have idea, it's more than enough for the freshers. But it's a direct scenario only I am giving. ALE IDAB scenario means how to transfer one server to other server. User exists. Okay, baddies. Okay, baddie business addings. Okay, baddies. then the BAPIS. These are all the programs that are pending in our syllabus, our content. Our content means this all like this is one separate concept. When tomorrow if I start it, the next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, up to Thursday or Friday. Okay, this all screen programming only we can concentrate. Why mean that many programs are I'm giving. I will create one program. I will give for practice. One other program because all are push button programs like this. Okay, this type of screens. Let me show. This one. Like push button means like VB. Okay, like VB. Okay, see Z insert. Here this type of programs. Insert. What is a push button? What is a clear button? What is the exit button? If I click exit, it is going directly. Okay. If I click here Z table. Yes, here. How to declare the table format. If I enter one value, the customer value, based on customer, all the documents will be displayed here. Okay, how? This type of programs we can deal. This is table control. Another one is tab strip control is there. Z tab strip. Okay, means to display the data in the different format. Okay, this is one tab. This is tab 2. If I enter tab 1, okay, customer address will be displayed separately on screen. Same sales data will be displayed in separate table format. Okay, how to declare the tab 1, tab 2, tab 3 like that. Okay, how to declare these programs. These all 4 programs are here. Okay, 3 tables related. I will give you practice. Okay, and plus some scenario wise, live scenario wise for end users how to deliver it. Okay, those type of programs also I will discuss in this particular time. Okay, this the next tomorrow if I start this program. Tomorrow onwards in the next 4 to 5 classes. Okay, tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, max. Okay, by Thursday we will start with the BDC. Okay, BDC once again separate programs. How to upload the data? How to upload means okay, these are all advanced concepts here. Here I have the Ganga here. Here I have data, sales order data, customer data. This data, okay, for my client, they will send it data like this. All the customer data they will send like this. Thousands of customer data. Okay, like this. I don't want to create each customer data. Just I have to upload same data in a single step. All 10,000 customer data I have to create in single within 1 minute or within 2 minutes. To upload this type of data we are calling BDC, batch data conversion. What I'm trying to say, I'm just okay, my screen is here already. My screen is here. For this screen, I can create 10,000 customers in a single step by using BDC. That is the BDC. Okay, that is also we have call transaction method is there, session method is there, recording method is there, LSW. Okay, next full coming week will be the BDC only. Means if I start on Thursday, then next week 5 classes BDC is concept. Next reports another four sessions. Script okay 2 sessions. ALI 2 sessions like that. Okay, all the advanced topics are pending now. If you are very good with this up to this point, up to like whatever today I discussed, you can easily survive with the supporting related projects. Supporting related, you can easily debug and you can understand the coding. But implementation level means this all you have to know. Okay? Even support also you have to know all this one. But easy to debug. Debug means at least what is function model, what is the use of perform, what is the use of include, how to declare the declarations, what is select query, what is internal tables, loop, write syntaxes. This all I covered. Okay, now next level program, screen programming. Okay, that is only I will discuss. Now today just some basic theoretical point I am giving now. Tomorrow one session. Okay, one separate example I will give to on base screen programming. Okay, screen program. Okay. Satish, okay. Amit,
Yes, sir. Okay.
okay. Okay, now I'm going to start here screen programming. What is the meaning of screen programming? Okay, let me start here. Okay. Here screen programming name we have here different names we have like different names means okay different naming conventions means screen programming. You can call four names we have screen program, screen programs or dialog programs or dialog programs or transaction codes creation or module full program. Module full program. Like this we can call, so same one thing, name is same only, say chain or dialog anything, but different names we have in industry. That's what I have written all the names. Okay, maybe don't confuse you. Okay, why somebody will call dialog program, somebody will call module full program, somebody will call T code creations, somebody will call screen program. Anything that is same programs only. Okay, same programs. Here screen is nothing but designing the inputs, like example. Okay, this is only screen. Okay, insert. Okay, let me here one snipping tool I will use it. Designing this type of screen, okay, we can call screen programming. Means, okay, in SAP we can design this program. Okay, in SAP you can. How to design? First you have to understand. To design this program, we need a one screen number. We need one screen number. Screen number you can use 9000 to 9000 series, any number, 9000 to 9099. Okay, and here we have that push buttons are there. This is one push button, this is one push button, this is insert is one push button. These are all push buttons. Okay, push buttons means how to specify push buttons. Okay, push buttons. For this total full program, one program name we required. This program name we required. Okay, program. Here, this program name is nothing but a module full program. The screen number is nothing but a screen program. Screen if you are using. Okay, dialog is nothing but one separate screen. Okay, separate screen, that is dialog. After creation of this screen, dialog means just one pop-up. Okay, pop-up. After creation of this program, for this we will create one code, transaction code we will create. For the same screen, we will create transaction code. I have shown you transaction code creation also for report. The same way, we will create transaction codes by using SC93 transaction. Okay, that's why we are calling this many names. Here screen means we are using here for to develop this type of program. We will use one screen number that we are calling screen number. Dialog is nothing but this type of pop-up windows will come, clear or insert or not. Okay, let's see. If I enter the value, so and so value, it will show one dialog. Okay, inserted. This is a dialog program. Okay, dialogues. It is coming from the particular screen, dialog related information. That is the dialog program. To design this all screen, we need one screen number. Let me show the screen number also. Okay, SC51 is a screen. For this one, Z table control or Z all push button something. Okay, this is a screen number. Let's see. Click on change button. It is not there, I think. Okay, tab string. Okay, this is a program. So here we will write it all the module names. Okay, module names. We'll write it declare module status and module input. Is to declare this type of declarations. Okay, we need screen number compulsory. Here which screen number I am using here? Screen number is 9000. Okay, screen number is 9000. Okay, this all we are using here. That's why I'm calling screen programming, dialog program, transaction codes here. Okay, transaction code. Same example. Okay, tomorrow session I will complete it one example. Then I will give you 2-3 programs for Sunday practice purpose. Okay, Sunday practice. Okay, now some more points we have here, important points. Okay, they will ask interview question. What are the events? Okay, what are the events in screen program? You can call events in screen program. Okay, events in screen program. Okay, events are nothing but like see here. Who is going to click here insert button? Who will click insert button or clear button or exit button? User, correct? Means user will click. Okay, user click. Okay, that user, how the system will identify is user is going to click. For that reason, SAP has given some events. Okay, that events are nothing. Okay, PAI. PAI means process after input. After input value, who will click that one? Who will click? Like example, let's see. Process after input means I will enter one value, one country, okay, Ganga. I will enter one value. I entered process after input. This is I entered values. Then I am clicking insert button. Okay, this event will be triggered. Means after entering the values to the screen, this insert will be triggered. You have to write code. This code under insert. This code will be under insert. This insert code will be write under insert. Same way, clear also you have to write under insert. Exit also you have to write under insert. These all are we are calling event. This is one event. Like that we have another event also there. Another event. PBO, very important questions all are. The process I will discuss later also. Process before output. Before BN means before, output means output. Like okay, for this scenario is totally different. Whenever you are working with these type of programs like tab related programs. Here, okay, PAI means I will enter one value. I am click the display button. PAI will trigger, but this data is coming from database to it is displayed. That is we can call PBO. Data is triggering from database to screen. That value we are calling PBO. It will come from data to output screen. You can call PBO. This all detailed note I will give one note next. Just today you can write down event. Very important points. Okay, for freshers is very important. For experienced, you have to design the full programs compulsory. Okay, full program. For freshers, they will give exam like manual test based on this only, based on this particular exams only. Okay, they will give this type of one scenario, like example this table. Okay, most of the previous student they have written this type of programs. Okay, this is a table. This type of program they had given in examination. Okay, in examination they will give this customer data, some sales order data, how to fetch in the form of tables. That's one PBO is very important. These two only we can use it in real time, but another one is also there, POV. Okay, that is process. Okay, process PROCESS. Process on value request. POH is process on process on help request. Okay, help request. Like that we have the 4 events are there total in SAP screen programming, but these two events are the default events which we are not going to write in program. What is this default event means? This is like a value means this is like a F4 button. Help means this is F1 button. Okay, these are all default, it will work. Okay. Why? Let's see. If I enter value F1 system, it will display automatically F1. Okay, F1 is nothing but a documentation here. If I click F4 here, this is F4 browse. Okay, that is F4 button. Okay, F4 button. These two already for any report, this F1 and F4. Okay, by default it is there. Okay, that's why there is no need to write any code in this related to process on value request and process on help request. Okay, as a developer, we will write the code on PAI and PBO. Very important. All 4 programs, 5 programs. And for you, I will give another 3 to 5 programs. So almost 10 programs. You will write it a total code on PAI and PBO only. Okay, PAI and PBO only. Okay, this is very important. But next program, the same example I am giving, how to create the insert button, clear button and exit button. Same this code, from which table fields you have to use it. Okay, each and every step by step I will discuss. Okay, this programming. But today just only I started with the basic. What is SAP screen program? Screen means screen designing. Okay, it's not normal ABAP program. It is total designing screens. For the same screen we have to write some code. If you write that code, we are calling module. Okay, module program. Okay, module program. How to write each and every, how to design the push buttons, how to change the push buttons. Okay, these all. Okay, I'll start tomorrow. Okay, what about tomorrow timing? What time? Satish, Amit. Okay, any time like 10 o'clock is fine.
Yes, sir.
Insert button, clear button, and exit. I will give you display button, like display and delete and exit.